Cool.
That's how to install an antenna. So that's an Antron 99 solar con with the ground plane kit on it right there.
That looks really cool.
It's, I guess the antenna's about 18 foot in length. The fiberglass, 3 pieces of it. And the elevation here is pretty high too. We're up around 800 feet, something like that. So really good to have that up there and a really nice radio.
Jason, you
up
can
there,
talk
too.
to aliens now.
That's cool, pretty much. You'll get out very good with that. Good for shoot and skip.
I might have the wrong side. A little bit small.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Antenna installation.
Very cool.
That's how to do it, putting on the side of a chase box. Got the brackets, got 2 pieces of swag masting, and of course the Antron 99 for 11-meter band radio. And it's going to get out just fine. Can't wait to talk to him on this thing. Be neat to see what the signal is from here to our place. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Cheers.